Descriptions: VOUMEY always thinking of how to service you better, and we will do better day after day as long as you trust on us and give us a chance to service you. Thank you very much for choosing us. About VOUMEY Facial Steamer, Product Performance, 1 Product Specifications, 110 to 40 V 50/60 Hz 130 W2 PTC Heating, 3 CE/ROHS Certification, 40/1/2 Switch to adjust the amount of steam conditioning, 5 Overheating Protection Device, prevent the dry burn, 6 Adjustable steam size, steam choice more free and flexible. How to use VOUM Facial Steamer: 1 Load 50 ml of water into the base, do not fill water above the max line, show inside the fill area of the base. 2 The bottom of the steam mask cartoon aligned at the bottom of the slot, rotate clockwise fixed. 3 When using a nasal mask, the mask can be placed directly on the middle, you can adjust the steam direction. 4 Turning on the power, you can choose 1 or 2 switch setting 1 low, 2 high. 5 When the steam has completely evaporated or once you are finished, turn the switch to off, then unplug from the electrical outlet. 6 Relax for 8 minutes after the hydration process, and then clean your face with cold water. VOUM steam mask can be good fit facial contours, so that the full face of contact with water vapor, to give you meticulous care. Warm steam is conducive to water molecules through the diastolic pores into the skin, deep moist skin filling, compact and smooth. Separable attachment for steaming nose, nasal release steaming hot steam, the pores can be mild relaxation, dirt hidden in the pores of the skin, natural oils float, then use the blackhead remover, can improve the product performance. Farewell to strawberry nose. Easy for using. Fill 1 time of water, can be used more than 8 minutes, fast heating, and has 2 levels of power. The facial steamer comes with a measuring cup, easy to add water, according to personal preferences, to switch the 2 levels of power. Just 15 minutes a day, keep for a month, you will find different. Recommended to use daily, each use 8 minutes, beautiful belong to the one who can insist on. Aromatherapy at home. You will find a few drops of honey will make the air smell like flowers around you. Money back guarantee if you do not satisfied with it in 30 days. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.